Good morning students. Today I am going to teach you about basic functions, that is greeting, introduction, etc. This is for class 7 and in this chapter we will learn how to greet people, say thanks, how to introduce yourself and how to get introduced by someone else. So first topic, what is function? First topic is what is function. So when we speak and write with a purpose, example to invite for the party or to invite for any function or to make a request, these are the examples of the purposes, and these purposes are called function. After that, suppose we are making a contact with some other people, so how do we can make a greeting? So when we are meeting people, we can say in an informal way, hello, hi, or we can say them morning, afternoon, according to the period of the time. But when we are meeting to the elder people, we have to say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, etc. according to the time. And when we are leaving the people, so for that time we can say bye, goodbye, good night. Although when we are seeing him for the last time in the day, so we can say him good night. Second topic is the introduction. The introduction have three parts. By introducing people, how can we introduce the people? Second point, introducing yourself. How can we introduce ourselves? Or third, answering introduction. If somebody is introducing by a third person or by himself, so we can introduce, how can we introduce that, introduce him or her, we will know that. First topic, introducing people. Introducing people means someone else is coming to you to introduce someone, the third one. Example, let's suppose someone is Gopi who is introducing Rahim to his brother. So what will he say? He will say, hello, meet Rahim, he is my brother. Okay. Second part is introducing yourself. While introducing ourselves, we have to say excuse me if we are talking to strangers. Okay. So so how will we say that? Excuse me, my name is Ravi or Rahim. Or we can say that have you met before? My name is Ravi. Third point, answering introduction. If somebody is introducing to himself to you, that for example, let's suppose he is saying, hello, my name is Rahim. So we have to say that, hello, how are you? Yeah, how do you do? So these are the answering introduction, and these are the parts of introduction that we have. The last, when we are moving forward, we are saying starting conversation with a stranger. When we start an introduction, when we start conversing with the strangers, so we would say, excuse me. This is the best word when we are talking to a stranger. Using this word, we can say to, we can ask him his name, or we can introduce ourselves to him. Or if whatever we have to ask, we can ask him. For example, excuse me, I am, whatever is your name, you may say. And asking for someone and saying how you are. Here, this is the last topic that I am going to teach it. how you are means you are asking him his wellness. So you can say him, how do you do? Other example of this is, how are you? How are you doing? These are the some examples for which we can ask his wellness. For this topic, this is enough. Thank you and have a nice day. I think be safe and stay home.